Nag-iisip ka ba na mag-take ng freediving pero hindi mo alam kung sa swimming pool or sa open water ka mag-take ng intro lesson? Well, I got you. I'm Riri and I've tried both. So, in this video, I will help you decide paano naman maisakatuparan mo na ang mermaid era mo, Beshuops. Okay, so disclaimer muna tayo I am not a certified coach nor a professional freediver. What I will share here is my personal experience. Freediving is considered as a extreme sport. So that is why you should not try this without proper training. And that is why you should not try doing freediving on your own, or yung ikaw lang mag-isa, yung tipong bida-bida ka lang, gusto mo lang magda-dive ka sa open water, sa swimming pool or what. So, number one factor na kailangan i-consider ay ang schedule. Kapag open water yung gusto mong subukan, at least 2 days yung kailangan mong i-allot na araw for freediving. So, preferably weekend para madami ka ring makakasabay and makakashare dun sa mga gastos gaya ng coach fee, accommodation, and transportation. Okay din naman kapag ka weekdays, pero mas maganda kung meron kang mga mahahatak na mga tropa pips mo para may ka-share ka dun sa mga gastos na yon. Kapag ka naman city dive or swimming pool, pwedeng-pwede naman to kahit na after work. Normally, nandito kasi yan sa Metro Manila, yung location ng mga swimming pool na nag-o-offer ng intro to freediving. 3 hours lang yung itatagal ng session and matututo ka na ng yung basics ng freediving. Madaming available na schedule. So, makakapili ka kahit after work, pwede ring weekdays, pwede ring weekend, because the session will only last for 3 hours. O, diba? So, saglit lang matututo ka na ng yung basic ng intro to freediving. So, kahit after work mo, pwede kang dumiretso doon sa location ng swimming pool. Number 2 is location. So, kung sa Metro Manila ka manggagaling, mas accessible yung city dive. The locations na available na sa pagkakaalam ko ay Ortigas, Makati, and Alabang. So, kung sa Metro Manila ka manggagaling, siguro mga 1 to 2 hours lang nandun ka na sa venue. So, hindi less hassle and din nga, mas accessible siya sa public transportation. Kapag ka naman open water, pwede ka rin naman mag-commute. Pero, ayun lang, mas mahaba yung oras na iaalat mo kapag pupunta ka sa open water na venue for freediving. Kasi syempre, saan lang ba merong dagat na malapit sa Metro Manila, diba? So, that would be Batangas or Pangasinan. Okay, so yun, pwede naman siyang accessible naman din ng public transportation, pero yun nga lang, mas hassle, mas matagal. Kaya mas advisable kapag meron kang private transportation, like ayun nga, may mga nag-o-offer ng mga carpooling, no, para may mga makakasabay ka, tapos may mga certain pick-up locations, ganyan. So, para mas mabilis din yung biyahe and less hassle. Number 3 is budget. Kapag open water yung pinili mo, ang estimated na gastos mo is around 3,500 to 4,500. All in na to for 2 days. So, sabihin na natin 4,500 kasi isama natin yung transpo. Let's say, mag-a-avail ka nung carpooling. So, para all in na siya, sabihin natin 4,500. And normally, ang kasama din sa package na yun is 2 days na yun na free diving session. So, ituturo yung technicalities, tapos meron kayong 3 session ng open water. And then, kasama na dun yung food, accommodation, and transportation. So, that's around 4,500 or siguro sabihin natin 5,000 kung meron ka pang mga extra snacks, food, or gastos pa, no? Pero, yeah. That's for 2 days already. So, kapag ka naman city dive, ang total na gastos is around, sabihin na natin nasa 4,500 din. So, yung package, minsan ino-offer nila 2,500, pero may mga makikita pa kayo dyan na iba na mas mababa yung singil. And then, on top of that, babayaran nyo din yung swimming pool, tapos, yung transpo mo pa, no? Sabihin natin yung pamasahe mo, and yung food mo, no? So, sabihin natin around 4,500 for a city dive. The session will only last for 3 hours. So, that's somehow the major difference, no? Kapag ka open water, meron kang 2 days na sabihin natin 4,500. Kapag ka naman city dive, overall gastos mo is nasa around that price lang din. Pero for 3 hours lang yun. So, normally, kapag ka nag-take ka ng intro to freediving, open water man yan or city dive, kasama na doon yung gear rentals. So, ibig sabihin, hindi mo kailangan bumili ng sarili mong fins, snorkeling mask, ganyan. So, kasama na yon dun sa package. So, hindi mo kailangan gumastos muna for that if ever you're not yet sure if gusto mo ba talaga yung freediving. So, those are the 3 factors to consider. Number 1, schedule, and then location, and then budget. Pero, ang pinaka kailangan mo talagang i-consider or yung pinaka-deciding factor talaga whether to choose open water or swimming pool, pinaka-deciding factor talaga dito ay yung kaba or yung panic mo. The 3 factors that I've shared are somehow measurable. Pero kasi yung kaba or yung fear mo is ikaw yung makakapag-assess nun. Ikaw yung makakapag-decide if you are ready to conquer yung fear mo ng malalim na karagatan, malalim na tubig, malawak na karagatan. So, it's really up to you. So, yun talaga yung pinaka-deciding factor, yung fear or yung panic or yung kaba mo. So, mahalaga to kasi ikaw lang talaga ikaw yung mas nakakakilala sa sarili mo. And I also believe na ikaw lang din yung makakapilit sa sarili mo to get out of your comfort zone. Ngayon, if you really want to try freediving, ang advantage ng swimming pool is walang alon, walang jellyfish, and you have walls, no? Parang hindi siya endless. Ang pinaka-iisipin mo lang talaga kapag sa swimming pool is yung technicalities, like yung pag-equalize, yung makalubog ka, ma-reach mo yung bottom, yung ilalim ng swimming pool. And syempre, ito din yung disadvantage ng swimming pool kasi wala kang view na makikita sa ilalim, no? So, yung tiles lang yung makikita mo. Kapag ka swimming pool yung doon ka nag-intro to freediving. So, I could say na city dive can be your parang baby steps mo in conquering your fear. If talagang nagpapanik ka sa malalim na tubig or malalim na swimming pool, pwede ka munang mag-take ng ibang swimming lesson para mabawasan yung kaba or yung takot mo sa, alam mo yun, yung malalalim na tubig. So, ako, nag-survival swimming lesson din ako with Swim Central. And, yun nga, nakatulong siya sa akin to overcome yung fear ko by, alam mo yun, by knowledge and experience. Acquiring another skill will, somehow, hindi naman siya overnight, no? Kaya, yeah, if you want to really try and overcome your fear, those are the steps na pwede mo munang gawin. So, ako, personally, ang tagal bago ako nakapag-decide na mag-open water. Kasi kahit na nag-freediving na ako sa swimming pool and nagta-travel na din ako, may mga island hopping, ganyan. Pero parati ako naka-life vest. So, yeah, it's a process. You have to assess yourself and just don't be afraid to try new things. Kaya sabi ko, yung pinaka-deciding factor talaga dito is yung kaba mo, yung fear mo sa tubig, ganyan. Pero there are steps that you can take para unti-unti mong ma-build yung confidence mo and ma-overcome yung fear mo. Also, freediving is not free. You will have to invest your time, finances, and energy and all that. Ako, malaki-laki na din yung nagastos ko to acquire this kind of skill. As cringe as it may sound, but I could say that it's all worth it. Kasi underwater is definitely a whole new world. Like, iba talaga kapag ka nakita mo ng malapitan yung iba't ibang kulay ng corals, yung mga isda, yung Plus, we are in archipelago country, diba? Napapalibutan tayo ng dagat. So, parang nakakalungkot naman na hindi natin masisilayan yung ganda ng sarili nating karagatan, diba? So, thank you for watching and see you on my next freediving adventure.